It's September 2nd. I found myself back in Newport Harbor near Fort Adams. I saw an interesting looking ship there. It says Empire Wind plug-in hybrid, I think it says on the side. And that's not it, not all. It's right after Labor Day 2025. There's this, I don't know what it is. It almost looks like an oil rig, but it's got like two big cranes on it. And what does it say? Sapin 7000, I think it says on it. And it's like the Coast Guard buoy tenders going out. It's going underneath Newport Bridge. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. Empire Wind. Got a interesting looking bridge there and some kind of cylinder in the center. I don't know. Kind of a minor looking crane. Anyway, I thought it was interesting.